Welcome to Scrapheap Workshop. In this video, I am going to take the review of this chainsaw. As you can see, this chainsaw is manufactured by Mensela. In recent years, Mensela manufactures such type of products which is cordless and which is operated by battery. Now I am going to unbox this chainsaw. Now I am going to open this box. If we talk about the accessories that comes with this box, you will get a charger to charge this battery, and you will get a protective glass. It's quite good. It is very necessary while you are cutting any wood, any branch, then you have to wear this glass. And you will get a screwdriver. I got only one battery with this box. The capacity of this battery is 4 amp and it is 18 volt, and there is a battery checker indicator given here. When you will press this red button, then it shows the capacity of battery. And you will get a one user manual. The brand name of this chainsaw is CSL3 Cordless Electric Chainsaw, and some instructions are given here and some technical parameters are given here. As you can see, the voltage is 18 volt and the chain speed is given 6 meter per second. The material that is used in this finishing is quite good, and there is a insulation grip is provided here. It makes easy to handle this, and this is the lubricating system and oiling system. This is given here for our hand safety. In this chainsaw, the primer pump is used for lubricating system or oiling system. The lubricating system in this chainsaw is a manual kind. You have to just press and release this, then it will take the oil from this pump and oil goes into the hose, and then after that the hose distribute the oil to this chain. Lubricate the chain. It is very necessary that you have to lubricate your chain. It will increase the performance, speed and life of this chainsaw. Now I am going to install this battery in this chainsaw. As you can see, I have installed battery in this chainsaw. Now I am going to operate this chainsaw. First you have to remember, you have to move this button in any direction on either side, and after that you press this button. As you can see, if you are doing anything with this chainsaw, suppose you are going to tight this screw, or you are checking the tension of this chain, then first you have to remove the battery from this chainsaw. After that you can do anything with this chainsaw. Now I am going to fill this lubricating oil in this pump. As you can see, this lubricating oil will enhance the speed, smoothness and the life of this chain. Cordless drill is that you are not restricted to work in limited area. You can work anywhere without facing any problem. I will try this chainsaw on the wood. I am satisfied with the performance of this chainsaw as such type of tools reduces the human efforts and works in less time.